Very good evening to all of you. Listening to all the members talk on the stage, all I could sense is there's a lot of emotional connect towards the sport, and which is understandable coming from India. All of us relate to cricket, but translating that to committing yourself for a cause is amazing. And I would also like to acknowledge the time and energy put into find an organization like TCA by Shrikant and Tarun, and anybody can come up with an initiative, but to constantly be at it and for so many years dedicated towards social cause is amazing. And we all come from a humble background, and we come to a point of being privileged, and if we can use that towards bettering our society through these causes, I think we'll turn out to be better human beings and a better world for tomorrow. And I think as athletes also, that's what we do, entertain people on the field. You all entertain on this big screen, but there is another responsibility beyond a profession towards people around us. And I can say that, you know, this is one of a way to give back to society, and I wish all the very best for the team. You come back successful, and I was just about to ask Tarun if you're getting an opportunity to play at MCG, but I really hope the organization grows from strength to strength, and there will come a time when you get an opportunity to play in a stadium. Thank you very much for having me this evening.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మితాలి గారు. కాదు, మనకి కప్ ఫైనల్గా మనం కప్పు కొట్టాలి కదా, సో ఆ కప్ని ట్రోఫీని అన్వీల్ చేయవలసిందిగా మితాలి రాజు గారిని అండ్ దిల్ రాజు గారిని కోరుకుంటున్నాము.